Okay, children, very good morning to everyone. Okay, today I am going to teach a new lesson, a new unit, that is Unit 6. Yes, what is Unit 6? If I were an apple. Okay, this unit is in your English, Marigold English textbook, page number 64. Okay, first you open your book. Okay, let us start the poem. Learn, recite and enjoy this poem. See, learn, recite and enjoy this poem. Okay, shall we start? If I were an apple and grew on a tree, I think I would drop down on a nice boy like me. I wouldn't stay there, giving nobody joy. I would fall down at once and say, "Eat me, my boy." Once again I'll read the poem. You also keep your finger on that word and say the poem. Read the poem. If I were an apple and grew on a tree. If I were an apple and grew on a tree, I think I would drop down on a nice boy like me. I wouldn't stay there, giving nobody joy. I would fall down at once and say, "Eat me, my boy." Okay, let us see the summary of this poem. Okay, see, this poem is about a little boy. Yes, this poem is about a little boy. Here in this poem, the little boy thinks. The little boy thinks. What did he think? If he were an apple. If the boy he were an apple, he would not like to keep swinging on a tree. If here the boy was an apple, if the boy were an apple, he would not like to keep swinging on a tree. He would not like to keep swinging on the tree. So, according to him, it would be of no use. Apple swinging on the tree is no use according to him. According to the boy, apple swinging on the tree is no use. So, that wise, further he wishes that he would like to fall down. See, he would like to fall down on a nice boy like me. Okay, I would here further he wishes that he would like to fall down. He would like to fall down on a nice boy like me. And he would say, "Eat me, my boy." When the apple fall down on a nice boy and the apple say, he would like to say, "Eat me, my boy." Yes, what is there in this story? Once again I'll tell you. See, here in this poem, ಈ poem ಏನಿದೆ, this poem is about a little boy. ಇದು a little boy think ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಒಂದು poem. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ think ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಾಯ್? ಇಫ್ ಐ ವರ್ ಅನ್ ಆ್ಯಪಲ್. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ನಾನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬಾಯ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ನಾನು ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ನಾನು? ಐ ಗ್ರೀವ್ ಆನ್ ಅ ಟ್ರೀ. ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ? ಟ್ರೀಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಮರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಎಸ್, ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ನಾನು? ಮರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೀತಿದ್ದೆ. ಬಟ್ ನೌ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಅ ಬಾಯ್, ಸೊ ಐ ಗ್ರೀವ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಹೋಮ್. ಬಾಯ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಫ್ ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಐ ವರ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಆ್ಯಪಲ್, ನಾನು ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಐ ಗ್ರೀವ್ ಆನ್ ಅ ಟ್ರೀ, ನಾನು ಮರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಮರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ? ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ಸ್ವಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಅ ಟ್ರೀ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಜೋತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಮರದ ಮೇಲೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಜೋತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಯೂಸ್. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಜೋತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು? ಸೊ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಸ್ವಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಜೋತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದ್ರ ಬದಲು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ನಾನು? ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಶ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಐ ವುಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಫಾಲ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆನ್ ಅ ನೈಸ್ ಬಾಯ್. ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ? ನಾನು ವಿಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಹಾರೈಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ನಾನು ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಒಬ್ಬ ನೈಸ್ ಬಾಯ್, ನಂತರನೇ ಇರೋ ಒಬ್ಬ ನೈಸ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಮರದಲ್ಲಿನೇ ಜೋತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ಬಿದ್ದ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ? ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ನೈಸ್ ಬಾಯ್ಗೆ, ಈಟ್ ಮೀ ಮೈ ಬಾಯ್, ನನ್ನನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನು ಮೈ ಬಾಯ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಅ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಾಯ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ಅ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಾಯ್ think itself. Yes, understand dear children, this is the summary of this poem. Okay, next here related to this poem some questions are there. After that I'll send these question and answers in your WhatsApp group. Okay, see next. Fill in the blanks. If I were a bird, if I were a bird, I would dash. If I were a bird, I would fly. Right? Fly here in this dash. Okay, in this gap you write fly. Okay, next. If I were a bee, I would buzz. Okay, next let's read and write. Here letters are there. S, T, U, V. See, first you trace the letters like this. S, T, U, V. Okay, then you write the letters. Okay, next say aloud. You read these words: apple, people, ripple, drew, grew, threw. See, these words are like rhyming words. Dew, few, mew. Ball, call, fall. Understand, dear children? These words are like rhyming words. So here all words ending sound is same. Yes? Next, fill in the letters to complete the crossword puzzle. Use the pictures as clues to find the fruit. Okay, here the first one. What fruit is this? This is orange. What is the spelling of orange? O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. You also fill the letters. Which letters are missing? You fill it. So next second one, grapes. G R A P E S. Grapes. Third one, what fruit is this? This is mango. M A N G O. Mango. Next fourth one, this fruit is banana. B A N A N A. Banana. Next one, this is fifth one. Where is fifth? This one. Okay, what fruit is this? It's apple. A P P L E. Apple. Next sixth one, pear. P E A R. Pear. So you also do this activity in your textbook only, not in your notebook. Understand, dear children? Complete all the activities in your textbook. Thank you.